Hi, this is Miss Washington here at Dalton Public Library, coming back with you with another fun-filled healthy recipe from Dalton Kids Corner, recipe number 4, yogurt parfait. Before I get started, I must read over the disclaimer. The Dalton Public Library District will use photos, videos, and audio recordings during library programming to use in publicity materials and on its website and social media sites. The library reserves the right to document its services and the public use of the library building and grounds. These photographs, videos, and audio recordings may be copied, displayed, televised, and published, including on any library website or social media site. Any individual that does not wish the library to use the photograph or video of their children or child should inform the library staff member prior that is conducting the program. Okay, let's get started. I have the plain yogurt, and this is a store-bought yogurt. You can use any type of yogurt that your child favors. I know I'm into the ones that has the fruit flavors to it already in it, but this recipe calls for the plain yogurt. Next, your granola, which I have emptied into this container. You can see it clearly. This is a banana nut granola, but you can get plain granola, but I thought I'd just bump it up a little bit by using banana flavor. And then your sliced strawberries. These I have already done because for little kids using knife might not be the best idea. But to get your child engaged into it, I would just go ahead and pre-slice them for them. Then a glass container. This is not a fancy one, dessert glass containers. I just don't own that in my household. I'm not that type of person. So I just use a plain glass, and this is just for visual aspect of when we go to the layering of the ingredients. Okay, let's get started. We're going to take the glass container, and we're going to layer the yogurt first. And then next is the granola. I'm just going to use my fingers here. I'm the only one who's going to be eating this. Then we use some strawberries. It's the last one of the layers. Then we go in with a second layer of the yogurt. Layered with the granola, and then we're going to put some strawberries down. And you can switch up the recipe. That's the fun thing about recipes. You can tweak it to how you like it. You can use maybe mandarin oranges or some other type of fruit, pineapple, whatever. But this recipe calls for strawberry today. I think I'm doing the last layer here. Put some granola. And then we're going to top it off with some strawberries. Maybe I should put one there. And there you have it. You can see the different layers. The yogurt, I guess I should have put a lot more at the bottom. But there's this the yogurt, the granola, and the strawberries. And there you have it. Let's do our taste test. We have another winner. Thank you for participating in this program today. And for any future programs, go out onto our social media sites, Instagram, Facebook, or go to our Dalton website, which is www.daltonpubliclibrary.org. click on the tab for calendar events. Then that will show you all our programs, not just this particular one for that particular month. And then you decide on which program that you want to participate in, click on it and register. Until then, have a great day.